Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna taste better. First, ensure your canned tuna is well drained to avoid a watery texture. Opt for tuna packed in olive oil if possible, as it offers a superior flavor profile. Gently flake the tuna with a fork, breaking it into small, manageable pieces, which will help it absorb other flavors more effectively. To achieve a delightful creaminess, consider adding a few key ingredients. Mayonnaise is a classic choice, but Greek yogurt offers a lighter, tangier alternative. A small amount of Dijon mustard can introduce a wonderful depth of flavor and a subtle kick. For an extra layer of richness and moisture, stir in about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Elevate your tuna with fresh ingredients that add both flavor and texture. Finely chopped celery and red onion provide a satisfying crunch. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or chives introduce bright, aromatic notes. For a briny, acidic counterpoint, mix in some capers or finely diced pickles. These additions truly transform the overall experience. The final step is all about perfecting the seasoning. A good pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper are essential. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors and add a zesty finish. If you enjoy a little warmth, a small pinch of red pepper flakes can provide a pleasant, subtle heat. Taste and adjust as needed for your perfect tuna.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.